Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zealot Bluetooth speaker. First, let's power it on. Find the power button, usually marked with a universal power symbol, and press and hold it for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. You'll hear a distinct power-on sound or see a blue LED light begin to flash, indicating it's ready for the next step. This initial action prepares your speaker for pairing. Next, you'll need to activate Bluetooth on the device you wish to connect. Go to your device's settings, then locate and tap on the Bluetooth option. Simply toggle the switch to turn Bluetooth on. Your device will then start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices, making it discoverable for your Zealot speaker. This step is crucial for establishing the wireless connection. Now let's pair your speaker. On your device's Bluetooth list, you should see Zealot followed by a model number like Zealot S16 or Zealot S32. Tap on this name to begin pairing. Your device might ask for confirmation. Simply accept. The speaker will usually emit a confirmation tone, and its LED indicator will change from flashing to a solid blue, signifying a successful connection. You're almost there. Finally, it's time to test your new connection. Open your favorite music app or any audio player on your smartphone or tablet. Start playing a song or a podcast. You should now hear the audio clearly coming through your Zealot speaker. Remember to adjust the volume on both your connected device and the speaker itself to achieve your desired sound level. Enjoy your music.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.